Well, I'm going fishing, going fishing. Now it's coming true, 'cause I kept insisting that I'd be fishing.
Here we are, live at the Bass Fishing Championships 2012. The returning challenger, William Russell, yet to pull anything in, but we've had a lot of bites. Over to our left, the existing champion who pull in a 1.1 ounce fish.
That we killed.
Oh. Bring it, get close to the bank, get closer to the bank. Oh, he's going to get stuck on the thing. Get close to the bank. Okay, pull him in, pull him in. Pull him in, fine. Come on.
Come on, Will.
Oh!
Get him, Wilsey. Get him, Wilsey. Close to the bank, Will.
Yeah, whoa! He's
Whoa! That got a big one!
Going fishing, going fishing, going fishing, going fishing.